Now, in case if you want to extend the same problem, then what we will do, we will add one more statement over here, that a cutting plane is passing through the top right side of the cylinder, which is at 45 degree, and then draw the development. Okay, now this is what is the additional part, and these kinds of questions will be asked in the examination. Now what this additional thing is stating, that one cutting plane is there which is like this, which will be cutting this cylinder over here. So they have stated that the passing point, so it is passing from this particular point, isn't it? And that cutting plane is at 45 degree to the horizontal plane. Okay, so if we draw a point which is at 45 degree, then a cutting plane will look like this, isn't it? And this is what will be the 45 degree. Now just to show that this is the cutting plane, this will be darkened, isn't it? Okay, now if we are supposed to draw the development of this particular cone, this particular cylinder, how we can draw, that we will see now. Now here these naming needs to be provided over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. Similarly, this division needs to be marked over here. Okay. Now, if now this pi d length will be suppose say and which is not division or divisible of 8, then what we can do, that a line at say for example 30 degree or 45 degree and whose length will be equals to 80 mm, that we can draw like this. This last point and this first point, this we need to join with the help of a smooth line, isn't it? Then we need to divide this into 8 equal parts like this, isn't it? Now then a line which is parallel to this passing from this, that we need to draw like this. So which will be cutting our pi d line, isn't it? And now these are our points. Are you getting me? So if this is 1, this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again 1, because 1 is going to be joined again. So from these you need to draw the vertical generators, which will be like this. Okay, now vertical generator, see how drawn. Now as you are aware that I am not using any instrument, so this is quite bigger than this all other, because it is not proportionate one, but if you are drawing this with the help of instruments, this will be equal, isn't it? Then you need to mark or you need to project these points over here. Each cutting line, or for wherever this cutting plane has touched to any of the generator, those points we are going to transfer over here like this. Okay. Now this cutting plane is cutting the generator 1 over here, so our 1 point is here and 1 point is over here, so this is what is the final point. Then this is cutting to 2 and 8, so this is 2, so this is point number 2 and this is point number 8. Then this is cutting 3 and 7. So this is point number 3 and point number 7. Then this is 4 and 6. So 4 and this is what is 6. And this last generator cutting is 5. Okay. So we have got the points, isn't it? Through these points we need to draw the smooth curve. And in this particular case, this smooth curve, isn't it, needs to be dark, and this portion needs to be dark, because our solution is this one. This portion needs to be a light one. Then similarly over here, this will be the dark portion. Are you getting me? Then this will be the dark portion, as this portion is not there. This is what is being cut, so that will be light one. So this is what is the development of an cylinder which is cut by an auxiliary inclined plane. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. All the best.